Heads up, drop down your votes now for SB19 on round 3 of Billboard Fan Army Face Off 2024. It looks like ang nangyari sa round 1 ay heto, nangyayari na naman sa round 3 kung saan hindi lang ang opponent natin ang ating katunggali ngayon kundi maging ang ibang fandoms. Kitang-kita yan kung gaano kabilis ang pag-angat ng votes ng ating opponent. As of August 1, 7 p.m. ay 8% na lang ang ating gap with SB19's 54% to Lana Del Rey's 46%. Ang rason nito, we are up against 3 or more fandoms. Some Eminem fans are voting for Lana, as they have said they have to eliminate out SB19 from the contest, otherwise their army are going to kill them later. And also there are Ariana Grande fans plotting with them to oust SB19. Ang nakakalungkot lang dito, many of these fans are also Pinoy. Pero sige lang, hayaan na natin sila, let's just do our best. Drop down all your votes now at lahat ng strats na ginawa natin sa round 1 ay gawin din natin ngayon sa round 3. Sinimulan na natin ito, let's end this with a bang!